نون ساكنة and تنوين rules ميم ساكنة, you will need this transaction area. But come to heavy and light letters, I've got this mixing a lot, this mistake a lot. I've heard it before, I've dealt with it. ولا الضالين. So the people want to want to deal with it. A heavy letter, a light letter. How we do this? The one right way to deal with this is to finish a white place and then move straight to black place. There is no gray area in between. There is no
Okay.
yakh.
You don't transition. You don't change from one shade to another.
Yeah, you go straight to it.
Okay.
Right? I'm not sure if I told you this before or not, but assuming you are driving a car or you are in the kitchen and you are or a workshop or something like that, and you are very skilled man, okay, so an order came up and you need to finish it. You are a chef in a restaurant in the kitchen, so you bring this from here, bring this from there, do this, and then your ingredients all ready, so you put them all together. When you go and bring this from the shelf and bring this from the whatever it is, so how could you know the places? Everything has its own place. The same thing in your mouth. You catch bod from its place, and then you catch lamb from its place, which is a very different place. The bod from lamb. So there is nothing in between them. Okay?